That looks fantastic. Look at that thing, y'all. Let's try it. I just can't do it anymore. Hey, we're gonna make some cheesesteak sloppy joes on the Blackstone Griddle today, y'all. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. Y'all, I know y'all are tickled more than a 10-tailed dog in a tennis ball factory, just like I am. Let's get started making these cheesesteak sloppy joes. 1 onion, just the old yellow onion, nothing fancy. I don't know about you, but I like veggies in my cheesesteaks. I'm very non-traditional when it comes to cheesesteaks, all right? Probably already knew that. But hey, I like to do me, all right? Doing me. I am going to dice up probably this whole onion. It's not real big. Also, while you're doing this prep, go ahead and get your griddle pre-warmed on a low heat. I'm gonna get these vegetables, get them down, get them sauteed, get them softened. I know y'all probably wondering, Hussey, sloppy joe, cheesesteak, you gonna put ketchup in it? Well, you'll see. You will see. Got some onions. Run my knife through these again. All right. Put those right here. Now, the green pepper. I like green pepper with my cheesesteaks. Kind of take my knife, kind of run that around the core, take the core out, lay it flat. Just like that. All right. Stack all these guys up. Got our pepper. And I like some mushrooms in mine. Just a few mushrooms. I let the supermarket kind of help me out here. Go ahead and slicing those. You know, if you want to use whole mushrooms, go right ahead, and you got to chop them up. You could probably leave them in just like that too. Just go ahead and leave them sliced. Just be a little bit bigger. I'll chop them up. I want everything to be kind of uniform. That's our veggies. We're going to head over, put these onto the griddle. I'm going to take just a little bit of, this is bacon up. This is bacon fat. The griddle's been on for a while, so it's a little bit hot, but that's all right. Take our vegetables, put them right there. All right, after our vegetables have been cooking for a while, we're just turning those every so often, about every minute or so. And after about 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna season those up with some Essentials blend. The reason why I didn't salt these to begin with is the mushrooms. If you put salt on them immediately, it starts to bring out the moisture that's inside those mushrooms, and it kind of puts a lot of water onto the griddle, and I didn't want that. So after that, we're just gonna slide it over to one cool side of our griddle. Next, we're gonna make the sauce for our cheesesteak sloppy joes. And it's super, super easy. I'm gonna start out with some beef broth. If you haven't already known, you can find this recipe. It'll be down below in the description. Just go down there, there'll be a written recipe, plus it'll take you to the website. This is Worcestershire sauce. Next, we're gonna add some cornstarch. There we go. Gonna mix that up really, really well. What this is gonna do is when this sauce hits the griddle top, it's just gonna turn into basically a beef gravy. I mean, just beautiful. Oh man, that Worcestershire sauce, so good. Tell you what it could benefit from. A little bit more beefy flavor, a little bit of beef powder, beef bouillon, powdered form. Add a little bit of that. The beef broth I use is unsalted. I like it, the unsalted, so that I can adjust if need be. That's perfect right there. That's gonna make a good sauce. All right, going to put that to the side. Now, our beef of choice is, and everybody can find this in their supermarket, is just shaved ribeye in these containers. And it's super, super easy. You don't have to slice the ribeye yourself. If you want to, sure, go ahead. Put it in the freezer, sharp knife. Be real careful. All right, let's head over to the griddle. Let's get these cheesesteak sloppy joes going. Well guys, it's go time. Before I get started, we'll go ahead and get our buns toasted. Butter is my choice for toasting buns. If you want to do mayonnaise, go right ahead. This is going to go pretty fast, so go ahead and get your buns ready. Blackstone is on low right now. We're getting ready to put our meat down. So we're gonna put that on to about a medium heat here. All right, that's what we're looking for. Don't neglect the top. Get those a little toasty. These over on our tray. All right, our griddle, you can see there's wisps of smoke coming up. I've got medium high here in the middle, low and low. I actually got this one off because this is where our beautiful onions and peppers are. You know, this right here kind of just, I think of whenever they go to those cheesesteak places, you know, in Philly, you know, they got the onions just kind of shoved up there. They just turn them every so often. Right in the center, a little bit of avocado oil. Why avocado oil? Avocado oil has a really high smoke point. And just gonna put our steak right there in the center. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to fan this out as best as possible. One thing I also wanna note is you wanna get your cheese ready. You wanna get everything ready because it goes really fast. You know what, I got another one of these. I should put it down too. Why not? Fan it out. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Seasoning of choice, going with Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. A little bit there, a little bit there, and we're gonna come in with a little bit of Essentials blend. There we go. Okay. All right, now that we've let this steak sit for just about a minute, minute and a half, I'm gonna flip it. You can see we got that nice Maillard reaction right there. Nice and dark. Flip this other side. It's looking really good too. Let's start chopping this up. You just kind of take one spatula, hold the meat, just kind of rip at it. If you got one of these as well, you can kind of go at it as well. I like these with spatulas. There we go. Come over here to this other side. The meat's pretty much all the way done. It'll finish cooking. We're gonna take our vegetables, put right into there, mix it up, make sure, yeah, I'm just gonna put all of them in there. Why not? There we go. All right. Oh man, this looks so good. All right, now, gotta get our sauce. Stir it up just a little bit. I'll pour our sauce right over that. Watch it just turn into nice gravy, beefy gravy. That's my middle name. It's got a nice sheen to it. Oh man, that's perfect right there. Cutting the burners pretty much to low right now. You can pretty much cut it on off, honestly. Carry over. That's perfect. Well, we got 4 buns. I want to partition this out. I know what you're thinking. Hussey, you forgot the cheese. Not yet. I haven't forgot yet. I haven't forgot yet. Cheese. Got provolone first. 2 slices per. I mean, this thing's gonna be cheesy, like me, okay? 2 and 2. Then we're gonna come in with some white American because that's the best cheese. I'm gonna take each one of these, just kind of fold it into each other. That's gonna melt. I smell that Worcestershire sauce. It's just coming up off of the griddle. It's just like all up in my nose holes, and it feels great. You see that maybe you shafted yourself on a little bit of meat? That's why you got a little extra over here, okay? No problemo. So for me, I like a little bit of, like a little jalapeños. It's pickled jalapeños. Just gonna put a few of those in there. And that's gonna give it a little bit of acid, a little bit of crunch, and just a little bit of acid from that vinegary, briny goodness. Just kind of cuts through the richness of all the cheese and whatnot. So got mine there. Gonna put my lid on, which is the bun. Come on up. Look right there, sonny boys. Dang it, boy. That's good. That looks fantastic. Look at that thing, y'all. All right. Golly, boy. Cheesesteak Sloppy Joes. It's a must. Ooh, we're coming in hot. Coming in hot, coming in hot. My word. Almost did a cardinal sin, y'all. What am I thinking? Y'all, just cause it's a cheesesteak, it needs mayonnaise. Put a little mayonnaise on there. It needs it. It's gotta have it. It's a sandwich. It is a sandwich. Let's try these groceries. Let's try it. I just can't do it anymore. Would you look at that? Cheers, y'all. Beefy, oniony, peppery, cheesy, good. Holy cow. This might be the best ever. Y'all, this is fantastic. This is like stupid easy. My gosh, that's so good. The jalapeños, I get the one with jalapeno. Yeah. Jalapeños work really well. Nice little crunch, nice little acidity. Buns, make sure you toast the buns. Gotta do that. But y'all, let the supermarket do some work for you with the shaved ribeye. You got an easy meal, and one that people are gonna be like, dang it, boys. Y'all, that's all I got for you today. Hey, I appreciate you watching, appreciate you stopping by. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. We would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment. I love to interact with people. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.